Hello guys, welcome back once again. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert any image file extension to JPG or any image extension PNG. So this image, which its extension is web. Let me show you. Let me show you. So this is a file extension, it's web file. So with this I'm going to change it to PNG or JPEG. So to do this, just open your web browser. So open your browser and search this in your search bar, that's convert.io. Just search it, type it and search it, convert.io. So when that then click on enter, then search it. So this is the website, convert.io.com. So you click on the link, first link, it will open up for you. So with here we are going to drop in or either choose the file location. So I'm going to choose the file location, or you can either drop it in here. So let me drop it in here. So this is the file, I'm going to drop it in here. So you can see it, this is the file name, it's a web image. So here you are going to select the file extension that you want for that image. You can convert it to PNG, JPG or JPEG, any file extension that I want. So I'm going to convert mine to JPG, and then you click on it and you click on convert. So it's going to convert that web file into a JPG file. So guys, converting your file. So you can see right here it's converting it, so we have to wait patiently for it. You can see it has been converted to JPG file. This was a file that has been converted to JPG. So you click on download. So I'm going to download it. I'll click on download. So now let me open it for you to see. So you can see right here there are two images here. One is web file and one is JPG file. So you can see right here file type is JPG file, and this is a web file, the web file that we converted to JPG file. So you can see these are two different images right here. One is web file and one is JPG file. So guys, that's it for today's tutorial. So if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and share it to others. So guys, see you in the next video.